Ultimately, your vision for your school should be that every child receives music education in school time throughout the school year. Most importantly, music should be given protected, regular and ongoing time. When looking at spaces around your school for music education, there are things to consider. The space itself, any noise coming from outside the space into the music classroom, and the other is the noise that a music class makes and how it's going to impact on the learning around them. Ideally, a music education space should have a lot of space on the floor. You might need music stands that can stack in the corner, chairs that can stack in the corner, and a lot of storage space around. A big part of music education is learning about processes and habits. Getting out musical instruments, stacking and unstacking chairs, putting musical stands up, all of these are part of that process.